Welcome back to Gardening Artfully. Kathy Arbor here. Today I thought I would take you for a little tour around my front garden. The phlox are really doing well this year. This one here, it's got a really nice stripe to it. Really pretty, and it smells really nice. Very, very fragrant. And I have a lot of alliums that are looking really nice this year. I was kind of worried about them for a while there because they were kind of looking mutated. I'll show you some at the back. A little bit of snow on the mountain. These here are drift roses. They're doing really well. Had them caged for the winter so the bunnies wouldn't eat them. And I have some hens and chicks doing really nicely. Starting to get babies. Some hostas. That one there is called Curly Fries, I believe. It's got a real nice curl to it. Lots of rocks. And this is my prickly pear, and it's getting quite a bit of new growth on it. They could be blooms or new growth. It's hard to tell right now. And my black lace elderberry, I've had to take off some bits of the stems because there is a problem with these. It's a borer, and you'll find that some of your stems will start to weep suddenly, and if you snip them off, you'll find a borer inside the stem. But if you can get to those as you see them drooping, I see one in there already starting to droop, you can usually control it. But there's no sprays or anything for them here. Some nice bobo hydrangea, some grasses. I like this creeping Jenny. It's the there's two types. There's more of a green. This is the chartreuse color. Take you around here first. These blue spruce. Some these are very small smoke bush, and they stay small. So I like that. Gives it some nice color. Some ground covers in the back there. I'm not sure what that yellow one is back there. Snow on the mountain all under here. And that's, I believe, called Gold Flame 9 bark. I'll swing you under the tree here. This is Colorado blue spruce, and I just raised the bottom, the skirt of it a little bit. And I have mostly ground covers in here with some hosta. So lots of, again, the phlox, hostas, And these I all divided. It was one big one that was here when I moved in, and I just divided it, and they do really well. Some more hens and chicks on the bottom. I'll have to look this one up for you. I'm not sure what it is. Sedums right there. And this one here is called Louisia. And it's a succulent, but it's gorgeous. I love the color of it. This is a really nice succulent, very large. And this is great ground cover succulent. Some more Louisia. Look at the flowers on that. Now you can also divide them like you would hens and chicks. So you just cut off a baby from underneath and just set it on the soil and it'll grow. Now they do not like any kind of wet in the winter, so you have to make sure you've got a really free draining soil. There is ice plant. This one here. It's about ready to bloom. It's a beautiful yellow one. And these are miniature daisy. And they bloom for quite a while. So that'll be nice to see that. Another phlox. This one's pretty. Very, very deep cut flower instead of the other type of flower. Very pretty. So I just thought I'd take you through the front here and show you what I've been doing. There's my pile of mulch to be put on yet. So I hope you have a chance to get out in your garden, and so I'll let you guys go, and I'll see you next week with a tour of my back garden. Happy gardening, everybody.